So welcome back. Just while we're getting to the next lesion, because we are getting to the next lesion in the other room, I wanted to talk about lesion assessment. And I was trying to do it before, but anyway, now I've found the right presentation. So yeah, it's from ESG Days. I gave it in ESG Days. It's also on the ESG Academy app. ESG Academy is also a nice resource. I think it's really a nice way to look back through the stuff from ESG Days. If you have ESG membership, it's definitely worth checking out. And Marieva and Co made a nice video journal for it this month. So if you don't know about the video journal of the ESG Academy, go have a look at it. Very nice educational resource. So I want to talk about endoscopic imaging. I want to give a structured approach for the general endoscopist, not the polypectomy super expert, which I think that the majority of you are not the general endoscopist. You're the interested general endoscopist. And I think that's a very, very important point to get. Talk about multiple examples. Why do we have a problem with human detection of cancer? Because essentially, we're not very good. And lots of studies show that we're not very good. And actually, if you show that to a patient and you say to a patient, actually in a big study, 20.9% of cancers in polyps were detected, they'll look at you like you're crazy. I once went to an ethical meeting, ethical committee for one of our studies, and the layperson in the meeting, so the person who's not a doctor, but he was actually a chaplain of a local church. I said this, and he looked at me like